Hi, my name is Frank Burtmills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods with the SW Series waffle oven, and we're using the BD model, which is the double waffle oven. We're going to start today with the simplest of waffle oven products, and that's going to be a basic grilled cheese. It is something that everybody loves. It's a comfort food, and it only takes about 3 minutes on this waffle unit. So first thing we're going to do is we have two very nice pieces of white bread, and we're going to butter them with a little bit of butter. We'll do both sides. Okay, it's going to take 3 ounces of cheddar cheese. So we'll take 1, 2, and I put one right in the middle. So you've got 3 slices of cheddar cheese, very simple. Top on, and we'll go then to the waffle oven. This waffle baker is set at 350 degrees. They come standard at 400, but they're very simple to change and drop temperature or lift temperature. So first thing, this has been preheating for about 20 minutes. I'm going to spray a little Pam right on it, both sides, and very simple. Bread on, top down, little push, and then touch the timer. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Set the timer again. We're going to lift up, and we have a beautiful grilled cheese sandwich. Absolutely perfect. Listen to this crunch. Beautiful. And a nice sandwich. Let me show you. Beautifully melted cheese. Absolutely a wonderful sandwich. You can quarter these if you like. Goes great on the plate. And there you have wonderful grilled cheese sandwich. This is another grilled cheese sandwich that's very popular. This is a basil and cheddar grilled cheese. You could also add tomato and make it a margarita sandwich. And we're going to do the same process. We're going to take a little butter on both sides of the bread. Very simple. And we're putting 3 pieces of cheddar. And before we put the third one down, we're going to take a little basil paste. And we're just going to put a little shot here and a little shot here. And I'm going to spread it around just a little bit with a spatula. We're just going to give a little spread around. And then the top on. And we'll put this in. Okay, we always give a spray for non-stick. And we're going to put this sandwich right in. And when you're making a sandwich, try to back it in as close to half on these lines as you can. That'll give you a nice cut and a nice positioning. There we go, that sandwich is in. The sandwich is ready. Push the timer. And again, beautifully finished. Lift this right off. Going to cut this again. Nice crunch. And we're just going to take a peek. Beautiful cheese, and that basil is spread through. That will be beautiful for a flavor of a sandwich. We'll corner cut this also. And if you had smell-o-vision, my friends, you'd be smelling beautiful, beautiful basil and a great cheese. That's the basil cheddar grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you.